It's true of some suburbs and inner cities where jobs can be hard to find and harder to get to.
None of us can know with any certainty what might have stopped these shots from being fired, or what thoughts lurked in the inner recesses of a violent man's mind. In reading. And that's true, by the way, not just in inner city schools, not just among poor kids, even among what are considered are better off suburban schools. We're lagging, and we should do so. And we should do so recognizing that, again, there are regional differences here, and we should respect those. And guns mean something different for somebody who grew up in a farm in a rural community than somebody who grew up in an inner city. And they're different realities, and we have to respect them. But we need your honor, that inner compass that guides you, not when the path is easy and obvious, but when it's hard and uncertain, that tells you the difference between that which is right and that which is wrong. These communities are no longer limited to the inner city. Cities. That's the stereotype. I'm talking about suburban.
So there are some loan forgiveness programs for primary care physicians who are going out to rural communities or inner cities or underserved communities. And if one will hold on, he will discover that God walks with him and that God is able to lift you from the fatigue of despair to the buoyancy of hope and transform dark and desolate valleys into sunlit paths of inner peace. Reverend Pigney and his congregation understood that spirit. And unlike crack, it's not just affecting inner city. The question is whether we have the political will to make the investments in these communities, many of which are in inner cities.
All you need to be is willing to work hard and have a whole lot of courage, because it is never easy to expose your inner thoughts and rawest emotions, let alone in front of a lot of cameras at the White House.
And this is not a inner city problem per se, but this is reaching every community.